Hello friends, welcome. In this new video today, I'm going to provide you some information about cybersecurity.
So what we have to do, we have to come in the Google and we will search for Ubuntu. Simply Ubuntu will search, and here will be the screen, and we will go to the downloads and do 22.04 LTS. We'll click on this, and it will automatically get downloaded. The file will be near about 4 to 5 GB, and that file will be automatically downloaded. So I will cancel it here because I have already installed it before this video. So let me cancel it. Yes, now I'll show you where the file is present in my desktop. So I have made a new drive P, and in that I have kept the ISO file of Ubuntu. So here is the present ISO file. It's near about 5 GB. So what we have to do, we will create here a new virtual machine, which is the first option in VMware. Create a new virtual machine. Yes. Now we'll go for the third option. So after selecting the third option, we'll go for next, and here we will select the Ubuntu 64-bit. Yes, now we will select Ubuntu 64-bit next, and here we will give the name. It's up to us what we will provide the name. You can provide your best words, and I will let it to remain the Ubuntu. And here is the space where it will get installed. Let it remain same. And now I will provide the memory. I will provide at least 100 GBs, because I am having near about 1500 GBs in this desktop. So let this option remain by default. Yeah, we will go for next, and next. We can here browse also to make some specifications, to change our RAM 2 GB, 4 GB. It depends on your laptop, desktop, how much RAM you are having. And in network configuration, we can also configure it. So we will let it to remain by default, and we will go into the CD. Processors, we can provide minimum 4, minimum 2. It's up to your hard disk. So we will let here the third option, use disk, and we will click on the browse. It will automatically take us. If it will not take you, then you can search where your file is. Then you select that file and go for the next, finish. No need to configure anything, any other else. So we will make it next and finish it here. So now we will make it play virtual machine. We will select first the Ubuntu. You can see here I have selected the Ubuntu file, and now we will make it play. Now it will take some time to configure its files. I have maximized the screen. Here you are seeing the pop-up VMware. So I am using this in VMware. You can check the before list. Here we will use the first option, that install Ubuntu. As you know that I am working in this on Ubuntu, VMware system. Ubuntu I am installing in VMware, not in the VirtualBox, because of some problems. VirtualBox gives us some problem to minimize or maximize the screen. So that problem is fixed in this VMware. So now screen will be shown. So we will go here for install Ubuntu, not to try in Ubuntu. So going through install Ubuntu, here we have given six steps we have to follow, then we will complete the process. So first step is for try Ubuntu, install Ubuntu, and we will go through it, and make sure that the language English will be selected, and here we have to select again English language, and again by default English, and continue. And make sure that it will be by default here, and we will tick also the install the last step. It will install some packages which will be benefit uh, for using the wireless networks, and we'll continue here, and yeah, and now we will make it erase. It will not erase, and we will go through install now because we are in VMware, so it will make nothing process of erasing. Some people say that it will be erasing everything, so that's not here working because we are in VMware or we are in VirtualBox, so that of it's not. Now here we will continue our process, and it will go for installation process. It will not erase anything, nothing will be erased from your device. So we will choose here location. So I'm from India, and we'll select our location and continue. Now here we will provide our name, which will be displayed at the time of login. So I'll provide it Ubuntu, and we'll make sure that the password will be same in the confirmation password also. So let me make it, yeah. Now we'll go for continue. Be sure that keep it by default, and we'll go for continue. So now here it will be copying files from that OSI file to the virtual machine. It will take near about 5 to 6 minutes. Let me pause the video. So here we'll go for start now, and it will start the Ubuntu operating system. So it will take near about 5 to 6 minutes again, and we will provide here, yeah, here the username will be provided by default itself, which we had provided, and we will provide here password and make enter. So here we have successfully installed the Ubuntu in VMware. So we'll go for skip and next, whatever you wish here to make installed. Yeah, you can see here now you can see here I have minimized and maximized it by single click. That is the benefit. So I hope you have got this video. So thanks for watching this video. If you have reached up to this, so really thanks for watching this video. Hope you have